Good afternoon. My personal information. My name is Julian Andres Rodriguez Ramirez. I am 29 years old. I'm from Bucaramanga. I live with my wife and my son in Giron City. I am employed in animal feed factory and studying industrial engineering. My hobby is playing soccer with my friends. My favorite TV program is the Casa de Papel, and my favorite sport is soccer. Describe my family. There are four people in my family. My wife is Heidi Acevedo. She is 25 years old. She is an industrial safety professional. She is from Bucaramanga. She is tall. She has brown hair and her eyes are brown. My younger son is called Maximiliano. He is a baby. He is 2 years old. He is very cheerful. He has blonde hair and his eyes are brown. My oldest daughter is Sarita. She has studied and is in 3th grade of primary school. She is very outgoing. She is 7 years old. Her eyes are green and her hair is brown. Thank you.